Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix error code EC10000 on EA app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the error code EC10000 in the EA app often indicates an issue with the internet connection or EA server. So troubleshooting steps include verifying your internet connection, clearing the EA app cache, and ensuring your login details are correct. So for this, you can simply check your internet connection and ensure your internet connection is stable and reliable. Now clear the EA apps cache as well, and simply access the EA apps help menu and choose app recovery. Once this is done, you can also verify your login details and check for EA server outages. Now, if the problem still persists, reinstall the EA app and try advanced troubleshooting like unticking LAN settings, changing DNS settings and stuff. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.